In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can redeem your Best Buy gift card. So if you guys don't know Best Buy is the America's biggest retail store. So let me show you guys how you guys can redeem its gift card. But before that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment and let's get right into the video, shall we? First step, you want to go to bestbuy.com and log in into your account. After you do that, you want to select anything you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy something like a major appliance. After I go to major appliance, well, in a simple term, you just need to add something into a cart, and when you're trying to pay for that stuff, and basically you need to use your gift card. All right, so I go to refrigerator. This is just for an example, but you guys can choose whichever thing you want to buy. All right, I click on add to cart over here and wait for some time. And as you guys can see, it's added to cart. So I'm going to click on go to cart. Now once you're over here, you want to click on checkout. Now over here, you need to enter your delivery address. So I'm going to do that real quick. What you want to do is scroll a bit down, click on continue to schedule delivery. And after that, you need to pick your, date when you want it to be delivered. So I'm going to choose a date over here. After that, I'm going to click on continue to payment information. And when you're here, finally, you can click on use a Best Buy gift card discount code or store credit on like your payment detail. And over here, you enter your card number and then you want to enter your PIN number. And after you do that, you want to click on apply. And if all the information you entered over here is correct and matches with the gift card, then basically your gift card will be used. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can use your Best Buy gift card. Hope you guys were able to understand. Thanks for watching the video until the end. It's me, Richie Kevin. Thanks for watching One to Step YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye-bye.